Hey everyone, it's Bradley here from Flooring Inc. with another episode of our Flooring Innovation Series. Today, I'm here to talk about waterproof vinyl. Originally, waterproof vinyl was called WPC, which stands for Wood Plastic Composite or Waterproof Core. WPC revolutionized vinyl flooring because it was so stylish, easy to install, and of course, waterproof. Now, manufacturers have done it again with a new waterproof vinyl called SPC, aka Stone Plastic Composite or Solid Polymer Core. The core is thinner, more dense, more durable, and still 100% waterproof. You might also hear it being called rigid core because the solid core makes it super tough and resistant to temperature changes. More people are choosing rigid core vinyl because of the great benefits. Now, let's dive a little deeper. Whether you choose WPC or rigid core, your waterproof vinyl is going to have layered structure with a protective wear layer, a gorgeous printed vinyl layer, and the waterproof core. The only real difference is in the core. Both core options are waterproof, but rigid core is tougher while WPC is softer and quieter. Those are the basic differences between rigid core vinyl and WPC. But to make sure we've got all the facts, we've got flooring expert Jimmy Tooley from Mannington.
So there's some specific differences between the two constructions. SPC is quite commonly known as a solid polymer core, and WPC has an expanded polymer core. So basically there's small air bubbles that are inside that core, and the manufacturing costs are a little bit higher for that WPC construction. Also, there's some benefits to the WPC from a sound perspective that really makes it a nice solution, especially residentially. But then you've got the solid polymer core that kind of turns out to be just a tougher product. Doesn't dent as easily and has some good performance metrics as well. In general, when you look at the ratings for indentation, you're talking about 250 PSI for WPC, you're talking about 750 PSI for SPC. So you're talking about 3 times the difference. I would also say that that's really important depending on the application. It was the first kind of rigid product that came out, but because of that sound property and because of that inherent thickness and value property, you've seen that remain extremely popular. Our WPC grew this last year. We've had great success with it. I would also say that our WPC is the lowest claims rate product that we've ever put into the market from an LVT perspective. So over the last 5 or 6 years, several hundred million square feet are in the market now, really with almost no problems at all. So we do expect it to stick around. We do expect it to have a place, the same way as sticker laminates have had a place, the same way as sticker woods have a place.
Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button to catch the next episode of the Flooring Innovation Series. Or check out our website at flooringinc.com.